Well, everybody, would you focus your mind? Search for the truth and you will find good spirit and strength from within that fights against all sin. Why don't want? Well, I should walk across the land that has been chosen, and I should climb the mountain so high. I should go across the sea and ocean and sing with the bird in the sky. It's only Jah up above a man who lead the way, under whose shadow I abide. Me say you're running and you're running and you're running away, but from yourself you know you can't hide. Why die? Well, everybody, would you rise and focus your mind? Search for the truth and learn.